Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I do my weekly cleaning routine. This is for the main floor of my house. I typically do this routine every Saturday, and of course during the week, since we have dogs, I have to sweep and I clean the counter and do all that kind of thing. So if this kind of video is of interest to you, then just keep on watching. So the first thing we do is collect all the items that are out of place that need to be put away in their homes. So this stuff just needs to go down to the basement. That needs to go upstairs. And I'm just putting the stuff in the dishes that need to be cleaned and then putting the appliances away that are out. So now I'm just throwing away some old snacks. We always start off by vacuuming. I use the Dyson Animal Big Ball. This vacuum is fantastic, especially for dog hair. And then I'm getting out the duster and the rest of the cleaning supplies, some disinfectant wipes, some all-purpose cleaning spray, some vinegar, and some rubbing alcohol, as well as my hardwood floor cleaner. So now I move on to dusting the living room area, and I'm just getting down in the baseboard underneath the furniture. And now I just finished dusting along the furniture, making sure to hit all of the different knickknacks. For my disinfectant spray, I use a few drops of Palmolive antibacterial soap in a spray bottle filled with water. Now I'm moving on to cleaning my table with a disinfectant solution, and now onto my island. So what I do is I just let the solution kind of sink in and lift all the dirt, and then I'll go back and I will wipe it in a zigzag motion. And I'm using a microfiber cleaning cloth here. They're awesome because you can just pop them in the washer and reuse them. I like to use a disinfectant wipe on all of my kitchen cabinet hardware. And now I'm just finishing up dusting the wine rack area. While Tim is vacuuming the wall, we have a dog that sheds a lot, so we like to do this. It's super quick and easy. And then I go ahead and I start cleaning the stovetop. And I like to use that same disinfectant spray. We like to use a disinfectant wipe or a baby wipe to wipe down the scuffs on the walls. And now I'm back to wiping down the stovetop and getting that all nice and clean, removing all the gunk. Now to clean my windows, I typically use either just straight vinegar or I use like a rubbing alcohol. It works really well to get your glass really clean. And then I also like to go outside and clean the glass as well. My dog kind of spits all over the glass, so I like to keep it nice and shiny. And then I just finish up onto the other door. And I always use microfiber cleaning cloths to clean the glass with. This way you don't have any of that paper residue or dust residue from the paper towel that's left over on the glass. And then my husband just finishes up vacuuming the kitchen area, and then he just uses that attachment to get in the door jamb and vacuum up all of the hard to reach dirt and dog hair. Moving on to cleaning the hardwood, I like to use the Bona hardwood floor cleaner. I've tried the Swiffer Wet Jet in the past. I just like this one better. I find that it cleans the floors and it doesn't leave any nasty residue behind. And I like the attachment on the mop. You can just take it off and pop it in the washer, and you're not having to, throw them away all the time. And then I just buy like a big refill jug for that spray bottle, and I just refill the spray bottle whenever it's getting low. And trying to entertain the kid while you're cleaning gets a little bit challenging at times, but what I'll do is give her like a Swiffer duster or a cleaning rag, of course with only water on it, and she'll go around and clean things, and she thinks that she's pitching in and helping, and she kind of has fun with it. So as I'm finishing up Swiffering the back end of the house, Tim is working on cleaning the front end of the house, the bathroom, the laundry room, the formal living room, and the dining room. And then I follow his lead and I finish up dusting the front end of the house. Moving on to cleaning the fridge, I always like to pop some gloves on first, and then I use a aerosol foam stainless steel cleaner. I will link it down below. This stuff is awesome. It doesn't leave any streaks. It removes like all handprints, anything like that. It keeps your stainless looking super shiny and new. And then I move on to cleaning the outside of the microwave with that same stainless steel cleaner. And then I go ahead and I use an antibacterial solution on the inside of the microwave and then on the little glass microwave tray to kind of remove anything that has spilled over. And then I just move on to cleaning the oven with the stainless steel cleaner, and then onto the dishwasher. Now, this brand also makes wipes, like disposable wipes, I believe. However, I prefer the aerosol spray better. I just like to use them with a terry cloth, and it doesn't leave any residue behind. Now to finish up cleaning the kitchen area, I just go ahead and hand wash some of the dishes that can't fit in the dishwasher or that are hand wash only. And I also like to wipe down my coffee maker. I find that the coffee kind of splashes around it and it gets all nasty. And now I'm just cleaning my air fryer. Oh my God, if you don't have one of these things, you need to get one. Look it up. It's called an air fryer. I believe this one is like the As Seen on TV one. It is amazing. It's seriously life-changing. So before I move on to the last section of the cleaning, I'm just kind of quickly putting away my dishes and finishing up getting the kitchen all nice and tidy. And I just like to clean the inside of my sink. I just use some soap and some hot water on a sponge, and I just like to kind of scrub all the gunk. And then I follow that up with using some vinegar, and I spray down the stainless steel, or I use some alcohol. And then I like to just kind of give the faucet a clean with some alcohol and to kill all the germs and make the stainless steel nice and shiny. Now moving on to the bathroom, I like to wear a pair of gloves. I got these ones from Costco, sells them just in a big disposable box. So these are the cleaning supplies I use. Normally I start cleaning the sink first. I'm not sure why I did the toilet today. But anyway, I use a disinfectant wipe on all the surfaces, and I just let them kind of sink in and get that wet contact time to kill all the germs. And then I move on to cleaning the toilet bowl with some Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. And then I just take my toilet bowl brush and I give the inside of the toilet bowl a good scrub. And I like to just kind of rest my toilet bowl cleaner there so that it air dries, and when I go and put it away, it's not dripping and all gross. Now moving on to cleaning the sink with a Lysol disinfectant wipe. And then I always use paper towels in my bathroom, of course, because of the germs and how nasty that would be to use a terry cloth. I like to just give the garbage can a quick kind of scrub and then spray it down with some disinfectant spray. And then moving on to using my Bona to clean the hardwood. Oh my God, I'm winded. So that's an idea of my typical cleaning routine that I do every Saturday. I hope you found this video helpful, and drop a comment down below if you would like me to film my upstairs cleaning routine with kids' bedrooms, master bedroom, and also like the bathroom with the shower. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. The subscribe button is right down below. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye guys.